welcome to the vlog. It is May 12th. 12:03 p.m. and I have had quite the morning already. I woke up, I walked to the grocery store, picked up some things. I got some like soup dumplings, which I'm really excited to try. I did like my normal 4-mile walk. I also do an art project every week with my friend. Got that done, sent that in. But today is going to be a little fun, a little busy. I'm going to pick up another off the menu item. It's called a PoBoy. It's like from New Orleans. It's at this restaurant called Mari Gras Tuesdays, and it's French baguette served with fried shrimp, tomatoes, lettuce, pickles, and Creole remoulade sauce. Remoulade? Also, my shirt is pink. Does it not look white in this? That is so weird. That's so weird. But anywho, I'm gonna finish up this iced coffee and then we're gonna go to Mari Gras Tuesdays. I've never been to this restaurant. Oh my god, I can't wait to go back at the restaurant. Alright, about to go get the New Orleans foods. An LA fish and white sneakers in a bag make you look a lot less trashy. Hello guys, the sandwich has been secured and I think I'm gonna try it in the car. A little food mukbang. I did pay extra because they forgot to put my order in when I first came, so I put extra money in it so I actually have time to eat this. No worries. Oh, I don't have a drink. So here from Mari Gras Tuesdays, we have the PoBoy, some tomato ketchup, this guy which looks like a little hot sauce. All right, let's see. Holy crap, this is supposed to be half? Oh man. This is a lot of food, you guys. Look at that. And they gave french fries. I don't think they're supposed to, or are they supposed to give french fries? Yeah, they weren't supposed to give me fries. Okay, I just had a bite of the shrimp and it's bomb. So let's take a bite of like the whole sandwich. Oh my gosh, wow. So this is half of their most popular item, which is the PoBoy. So let's give it a taste. Oh, I missed a little bit. That's okay. Wow, hold on. This is bomb. This is seriously delicious. The shrimp is cooked perfectly. Wow. Yeah, this is amazing. I wish I got that remoulade extra on the side because that is insanely good. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is bomb. My original plan was to save half of this, even though it's already half a sandwich, but I don't know if I can. Wow. Okay, I'll do one more bite. Oh my god, this is so bomb. What I have left, so I ate a pretty decent chunk. Also, wow, this looks bomb. And this is exactly what it looked like. It looked bomb when I ate it. It tasted bomb, it was bomb. Now I'm gonna go home and do some work, and yeah, so let's go home. Hey guys, it is, oh, this is very close. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday, May 19th at 11 a.m. and we are about to go get a breakfast sandwich from this place called Egg Tuck, and it's supposed to have like fish cakes in it and fried shrimp and all this crazy stuff. So we're gonna go to Hollywood right now, pick it up, and yeah, try it on camera. All right, you guys, we're doing this. This is a little embarrassing because there are people everywhere, but I just picked up my egg sandwich. It came with a cold brew, so cute. High brew coffee, nitro, sugar-free, cold black, cold brew. And it came with the breakfast sandwich. I thought it was a sandwich, but they said it was called a Supreme Burger, so let's do a quick check. So it says it's supposed to be an exclusive sandwich made with a deep fried shrimp and fish cake patty, pickles, and an over medium egg topped with spicy aioli and egg sauce. Between a premium house-made brioche bun. Okay, so that's what I picked up. Let's take a look at it. I was gonna bring it home, but I don't know if it's gonna look any different, so let's just take a peek now. Oh, what the heck? This thing is so cute. I know this is freshly made, but it's packaged like you could pick it up at like a convenience store, like a 7-Eleven or, you know what I'm saying, family? Oh, this is chunk. Oh my god. I'm gonna go home now and I'll unpackage it and I'll eat it then. Ooh, I can't wait to eat this. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, now that I'm home, it's time to do a taste test. Probably gonna need to add like sugar and stuff, but we'll just try it. Definitely will need to add sugars to that. Then we've got the sandwich. Isn't that crazy? Oh. All right, so here's what it looks like without the wrapper. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try. Here we go. Oh, wow. It's very good. It's spicy. Oof. Did I get everything? Do one more bite and then I will enjoy off camera. Oh god. No, it's definitely messy. Alright, I would definitely check this place out if you are in LA. See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so today we are on an adventure to get some ice cream. The last ice cream or like dessert I got from off the menu was very small. It was like the size of a sushi, maybe even smaller. Anyway, so today we're here at Pop's Artisanal Creamery and they're giving out like half of a coconut filled with ice cream. I am so freaking excited. So this is what the item looks like on the app. Like that's insane looking. So I'm excited to see if it actually looks like that. It's just a cute little humble ice cream shop, so I'll see you guys when I get the food. All right, hey guys, I'm back and I have got the ice cream. Let's see if you can see it. Wow. So I got the lucuma and the coconut flavor. I just asked the guy like, it's not the best lighting, but whatever. I just asked the guy what the best flavor was, although I do feel like this should come in a bowl because it is dripping. Okay. So we have the lucuma flavor, the coconut. I have shaved coconut on top and on the bottom, and there's a raspberry sauce and a little umbrella. That's so cute. Wow. All right, gotta try the coconut. This is a little bit better. Whatever. Wow, this is really good. This is not something I can exactly save though. I thought that. I don't know how I'm gonna get this home. I don't even know what lucuma is. I'll look it up and maybe put in a little description, but wow, it's definitely got some depth to it. All right, I'm gonna try to like force this onto one side of the coconut and then like leave it in a way that it won't drip out of this little hole, but anyways guys, this is bomb. Another successful redemption.